and welcome back everyone. If you want to create stickers on Telegram, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. You can start by opening up the Telegram application. For that, open up Telegram, and what you need to do is you need to search. Use the search at the top and tap on it, and there just go ahead and type in stickers. So just go ahead and type in stickers, and once you type in stickers, here you will be finding a bot for sticker. Wait for that to open up, this one right here. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and click on start to make the bot start. After you start it up, here you will be finding the bot sticker. Now you can just go ahead and start creating sticker. You can find different code here that you can use in order to create a sticker for making a static PNG or WebP sticker set. You can just go ahead and type in /new pack. So just go ahead and type in that and send. And that way you can just go ahead and create up a new sticker, wait for the message to be sent, and it should make you a static PNG WebP sticker set for you. And then once you do it, the bot will ask you to choose a name. So for example, let's say funny face. So you can hit enter and send it up. And once you do so, we just head over and add up image. It will ask you what image. The image file should be in PNG or .webp format with a transparent layer. Must be fitting into 512 by per square. One of the sides must be 512px and the other should be 512px or less. So you can just go ahead and use this link option right here and paste the sticker. Now once you send the sticker, what you can do is you can just go ahead and send a corresponding sticker. So you can just go ahead and send an emoji. For example, let's say this is the one, and you can send it up. And once you confirm it up, you just need to wait for a bit, and you can go ahead and publish your sticker. And you will be getting a confirmation message. When you're done, you can just go ahead and type in /publish and command it. And once you do so, the sticker will be published, and that's it. Now Telegram app will display in the list of stickers in the sticker panel. So therefore, that is it. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.